So that's a resort place. It's really cool. We're gonna get food because I'm starving. So we're all stood up in this thing. I'm not gonna take my phone with me because I'm gonna drop it, so yeah. Hi guys, so I didn't really feel much the other few days, but today we are going on this little hike. I don't know where it is. Mossman Gorge is the name of it. And we're going on this little bus ride and a hike to this really cool lookout place. So I'll bring you guys along. At this really cool rainforest area, and you get these little things in each number. So this one's number 14. You press like 14 and you can hear on the audio. It tells you a little bit about it.
As you make your way towards the upper levels of the rainforest canopy, you'll notice that everything starts to take on more colour. Flowers are more likely to be red, orange or yellow.
So yeah, it's really cool. We're at this place and it has all these different flavoured fruits that they make themselves. They're just in the ripening cage, and these are the flavours. It's new flavours and I'm excited to taste it. Guys, look, this takes your temperature. I'm normal. Hey guys, so today's a pretty chill day. We just slept in most of the day. I think it's 12 o'clock now. So we're gonna hang out in the pool for most of the day because we haven't been there at all this whole holidays. And then we're going to this cane toad racing, which is later tonight, which is really cool. I'm excited for that. It's like something famous you do in Port Douglas, go to the cane toad racing. So yeah. Hey guys, so today we are going to this Harley's crocodile farm. We're gonna watch them feed the crocodiles in the lake while we're on the boat, so that'll be pretty cool. Let him drop back. And then he should give me a roll. Come on, roll. We're on these electric scooters and they're so fun. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.